Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Here I am going to tell how to start your career as a programmer. Step 1. Choose a programming language to learn. There are many programming languages out there, but some are more popular than others. Depending on your goals and interests, you may want to start with a language like Python, Java, or JavaScript. These languages are widely used and have large communities that can support you as you learn. Step 2. Learn the basics of programming. Once you've chosen a language, it's time to start learning the basics of programming. You can find many resources online, such as free courses, tutorials, and coding challenges. Some popular platforms to learn programming are Codecademy, Udemy, Coursera, and edX. You can also find many programming books, both online and in print. Step 3. Practice coding regularly. Programming is a skill, and like any skill, it takes practice to get better. Try to code every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. Build small projects, contribute to open source projects, and solve coding challenges. The more you code, the better you'll get. Step 4. Build a portfolio. As you gain more experience, you'll want to start building a portfolio of your work. This can include projects you've built, contributions to open source projects, and any other coding-related work you've done. A portfolio is a great way to showcase your skills to potential employers. Step 5. Network and get involved in the programming community. Programming is a social activity, and it's important to network and get involved in the programming community. Attend local meetups, join online forums, and participate in hackathons. You never know who you might meet, and what opportunities might arise. In summary, to start your career as a programmer, choose a programming language, learn the basics, practice coding regularly, build a portfolio, and network with other programmers. Good luck on your programming journey, and thank you for watching this complete video.